Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OMG Network. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of OMG Network was at the resistance of a very big bullish pennant and it was likely to be rejected. Therefore, I told you that we can have one more pullback, and after when the price line will be at the support, from there we can expect a very powerful bullish reversal. I'm going to show you what I told you in my previous video. It is possible that if we will have a rejection like we are having the rejection right now, then if the price line tests this support here, for example, that will be approximately at $14, but I believe that it can move some sideways, like after previous rejection it moved sideways and tested the support here. And for example, if we will have a test of support here, that will be between $16 to $17, and then we can have another reversal. Okay, that was from the previous video. Now, right now on the live weekly time frame, we can see that the price line has moved at the support. And in today's video, I want to discuss with you what can be our next targets, whether we are going to have a reversal from here or not. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, I would like to recall this pattern that I shared with you in the month of June, on 28th of June. When the price line completed the final leg of a very big bullish harmonic reversal shark move. You can see at that time the price line was moving at $3.80, and I defined the potential reversals on the buying zone from $3.05 to $2, because at $2 we had a very strong support, and our targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence, were up to $11.88. And after playing the chart, the price line rallied very well up to $20.12. That is a really very massive move, and right now the price line is again retraced back into this sell zone. Now let's move to the live weekly time frame chart, and here we have one of the biggest resistance ever in the history of the OMG network, and recently OMG is rejected by this resistance, and that is the resistance of a very big bullish pan. And you can see that we have a very steep support here, and we also have these rejections of this by this resistance of the bullish pennant. And here we also have a very nice support at $11.30 approximately. You can see that previously it had been working as a nice resistance here, and right now this previous resistance has been turned into the support, and the price action is exactly at the support of the bullish pennant. Okay. If you listen to my video, my previous video, I told you that I am expecting that the price line may move a little bit sideways and test it here for somewhere between $14 to $16. But you can see that the price line moved down very steep, and it is dropped at the support here, approximately at right now it is moving at $11.65. And now we may have a reversal from the support of the bullish pennant. Now, if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then we can see that previously here on the weekly time frame, the RSI formed this high, the price line formed this high, and we had a correction. And then again, price line formed another high, but the RSI was failed to form higher than previous high. So there was another bearish divergence on the weekly time frame, and the price line followed this bearish divergence and dropped at the support. Now, if the price line moves up from here, then in order to have a breakout from this resistance, this bearish divergence should also be removed, because if the RSI will be again failed to form another higher than previous high, and the price line will form another higher than previous high, then again we can have another reversal, and we can again drop at the support. So in order to have a perfect breakout, we need to remove this bearish divergence to be removed from the charts. Now, if we switch to the hourly time frame, then we can see that on the hourly time frame, on a very small time frame, the price line has also formed a down channel as well, and this is the resistance of the down channel. And the price line right now is approximately at the resistance of the down channel, and this is the support. So in order to start a reversal, the price line needs to break out this down channel. Right now, the price line is likely to break out this resistance. We can see that somehow it is moving above the resistance of the channel, but we need the volume. Once the price line will moves up with the volume, with the powerful buying volume from the resistance of this channel, then it can start a powerful reverse, and we can expect a reversal move up to at least up to the resistance of this very big bullish pennant on the weekly time frame. And again, I would like to repeat it that in order to have a breakout, that I'm expecting that the price line can break out very soon from this resistance of the bullish pennant, we need this bearish divergence to be removed from the charts, and I'm expecting that will be removed very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.